My little buddy boy. My little purr machine. Who's getting his meows mixed in with his purrs. Yeah, just like that. Really? What's up? What's up? You are totally marking me up right now. Yes, you are. You are marking me up. My goodness, buddy. My goodness. Such a lovely little dude. Okay, you know what? I'm picking you up. Oh, oh, you are such a heavy kitty cat. A heavy hugging kitty cat. He's my little hugger. Yeah. He gives hugs. And he purrs. He purrs like crazy. Yeah. Well, he's giving me hugs. I'm about to lose my grip on you because you keep squirming. You're a squirmy kitty. Oh my goodness. You're a squirmy kitty. He wants down. Whoa. Just fall right off me there. I can't purr like you. I can't do it. I can't do it. You just want so much love. Yes, you do. You want it so much. Goodness. You silly boy. You're a silly boy. Yeah. Little fuzzball. Meow. That was Diva. Okay, come here. No, Diva's mad at me because I'm paying more attention to you. Ain't that right? Yeah. I'm paying more attention to you now. Now she's ticked off at me. See that? See that? See what you do? Yeah. Silly boy. Really? You just gonna keep talking to me, huh? Buddy. Meow. Now you're not gonna talk to me. Oh, okay. Like, I'll talk to you if I have to. Give me food. That's what you're saying. I know that's what you're saying. But I already fed you. I don't care. Feed me more. Feed me more. Maybe later, okay? You're looking good right now. What do you do? What do you do? Such a vocal little kitty cat.